We are live on ERi-TV with English news broadcast. Dear viewers, hello and thank you for joining us. I'm Heaven Johans, your news anchor for this session, reporting live from our headquarters in Asmara for the 26th of December 2024. Do stay tuned. In our today's domestic news, as part and parcel of their regular consultations, President Isaias Afwerki and President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud held extensive discussions yesterday evening at State House on further consolidation of bilateral ties between the two sisterly countries, as well as regional and international issues of mutual interest. The two leaders underlined that as a great nation in the Horn of Africa, securing and guaranteeing Somalia's stability is critical for enduring regional peace and stability. In this respect, the two leaders discussed in greater depth prominent agendas that promote achievement of the desired objectives. President Isaias elaborated on the imperative for the region to extricate itself from external interventions that often advance agendas of incubating and provoking conflict and chaos in the region. In this event, it's critical for the region to address and resolve its own challenges. President Isaias further restated that the agreement reached at the tripartite summit between Eritrea, Somalia and Egypt in Asmara has no fundamental objectives other than the consolidation of existing and historical ties of cooperation, guaranteeing the peace and stability of Somalia, and more broadly, the promotion of the interests of the Horn of Africa and Red Sea regions. In a subsequent statement to the Eritrean press, President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud expressed his appreciation for Eritrea's contributions in the ongoing efforts for strengthening Somalia's national army, as well as related sovereign institutions, which are vital for the stability of Somalia, as well as the Horn of Africa. President Hassan added that Somalia can pick up useful benefits from Eritrea's vast experiences in the efforts to foster viable and robust partnerships. The meeting was attended by Mr. Osman Saleh, Minister of Foreign Affairs. President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud departed home in mid-morning hours today, winding up his two-day fruitful visit in Asmara. In another news, elections for area administrators, managing directors and village coordinators were conducted in 21 administrative areas and 109 villages of the Ad-Ghayh subzone from 18 to 24 December. Mr. Habtai Tesfazgi, administrator of the subzone, stated that pre-election campaigns were carried out to raise public awareness, enabling people to elect individuals they trust to serve them diligently. He noted that these campaigns significantly contributed to the successful execution of the election process. Mr. Habtai also urged the newly elected officials to serve the electorate with dedication and commitment. The newly elected officials, on their part, expressed their conviction to diligently serve the communities that entrusted them with these responsibilities. In today's final report, the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students provided 3 months of first aid training to 60 females in the Mandafara subzone. The training was conducted in the administrative area of Kudofalasi. Nurse Emmanuel Tesfagirgis, head of the Kudofalasi health station, reported that the trainees came from the village of Kudofalasi, Daranto, Adi Adda and Mbaarib. The training included both theoretical and practical aspects, covering first aid, the consequences of harmful practices, pre- and postnatal care, as well as the effects of underage marriage and female genital mutilation. Mr. Saleh Mohammed Said, head of the union branch in the Mandafara subzone, praised the Kudofalasi health station for its role in organizing the training program. He also commended the enthusiasm and interest shown by the trainees throughout the program. This was World on Thursday with ERi-TV English news broadcast. Dear viewers, a warm food for a joyful Christmas season from the broadcasting team. Have a good night.